Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion itong post ng Politico. Title, Unlucky 9. Marcos reportedly eyes biggest cabinet revamp yet. Bago lang sila nag-cabinet revamp noong May, after May election. Ngayon, taon-taon na lang nagka-cabinet revamp. Ay nako, ito. With his trust and approval ratings continuing to slide, Ferdinand Marcos Jr. is reportedly preparing his most extensive cabinet shake-up yet as the administration enters the new year, Politico has learned. Scoopers say the revamp could affect as many as 9 key government agencies, a move seen inside Malacanang as a high-stakes reset meant to arrest the administration's growing confidence crisis. Among the department reportedly under review are 1. Health, 2. Education, Foreign Affairs, Tourism, Transportation, and Information and Communications Technology, along with Department of Economy, Planning and Development o yung DepDep, dating NEDA, the Department of Public Works and Highways, and Bureau of Customs. So, isa-isa natin. Health. Ito daw ang pinaka matindi. Treading on thin ice. Kasi ang dami ng reklamo sa DOH. Sinampahan na rin sa Ombudsman kasong graft itong DOH Secretary Herbosa. So, most likely, baka it's time to go na itong health. Education. Bakit education? I don't know, isa si Secretary Angara yung nasangkot sa budget insertion sa DPWH. Baka sa mga senador noong 19th Congress, siya yung pinakamalaking insertion. Baka ito ang dahilan. Ano ko lang yan, opinion ko lang. Foreign Affairs. Ano bang mga kapalpakan sa foreign affairs? Hindi ko masyadong namomonitor ang foreign affairs. Tourism ito, klarong-klaro. Bagsak yung economic, yung tourism target for 2025. Instead of 8.4 million foreign tourist arrivals ang target, 5.6 million lang, short ng 33%. Grabe ang batikos ng taong bayan sa Tourism Secretary kasi sa kanilang promotional videos o mga materials, instead na yung mga magagandang lugar ng Pilipinas ang i-highlight, hindi. Si Secretary Frasco naman, ang mukha lang yan nakalagay doon. Anong kinalaman ng mukha ng Secretary of Tourism sa pag-promote sa ating bansa? Di ba yung mga tourist spot ang i-promote mo? Bakit yung mukha ang Kaya umani ng matinding kapalpakan itong si Tourism Secretary Frasco. And then transportation, bago lang di ba? Galing sa DOTR si Secretary Vince Dizon bago DPWH. So kabago-bago lang sa. But I don't know sino yung OIC ngayon. And then DICT, Communications and Technology. DICT. Okay, ito DPWH na discuss ko na kanina. DepDep. Wala, 3 taon na hindi na-meet ang economic growth targets ng gobyerno. Baka it's time to go na rin. Napurnada ng presidente sa DepDep Secretary, DPWH, Bureau of Customs. In fairness, wala naman akong nababalita ang nangyaring masama sa customs. Kaya lang makatahimik yung nangyayaring mga smuggling dyan. Bakit isinama ang customs? Okay, so while the extent of the reshuffle may vary from agency to agency, one cabinet official appears to be on especially thin ice, Health Secretary Ted Herbosa. Yan. So, good luck. Ito, magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Armando Domingo, keep those new and their designation. Executive Secretary, DPWH, Secretary, Education, Finance, Agriculture. Sila rin. Jonathan Basok, baka si Junior talaga may problema. Monthly kasi yung rebounds. Ito na ata ang presidente na may pinaka maraming rebounds, lalo na dyan sa PCO. Hindi ako nagkakamali, pang-anim na PCO secretary na ito. Basta Mayo, matatandaan ko pa, just after the pagka talo nila sa May 12 election, nag-revamp kagad eh. Pinasubmit lahat, courtesy resignation, lahat. Kala ko totohanan na, yung pala optics, pampapogi lang dahil isa lang talaga ang tinanggal dahil hindi nila kaya si Solicitor General Medardo Guevara, no? Kaya pinalitan. Bakit kailangan mo pang magtawag ng mass resignation? Yun lang palang dibdib yung Solgin ang gusto nilang tanggalin. Of course, pangalawa yung Dinar na kamag-anak ng First Lady, yung Dinar Secretary noon. So, kaya pinalitan. So good luck na lang sa mga cabinet secretaries na matatamaan sa revamp. Arboladora Arthur, revamp or reshuffle pa more? Remember, BBM, you asked all of your cabinet secretaries to submit resignation, tapos reshuffle ang nangyari. So magtiis na lang po tayo ng another 3 years. Sige lang, revamp lang kayo ng revamp. Wala na kaming asahan kahit sinong ilagay nyo dyan.